of Lady Lakshmi, who she is participated in this Balamitra program during this lockdown period. The period was they have spent for 42 days in developing different activities in these chain activities like readings, tip of the day, storytelling, and all these things made all the kids, particularly my kid, it was very fantastic, and she was very involved in all the activities. In particular, the storytelling, where the Geeta Madam was involved in this storytelling, she was listening very actively and she was very fascinated in listening all the stories. Moreover, she is all the time she is waiting for the Geeta Madam, Geeta Challa Madam storytelling, and moreover she is addicted to that story. In this view, I want Geeta Madam to continue this Balamitra program for a long period. Moreover, it should not be going to end. And I think this will be one of the very good activities that doing by Geeta Challa Madam and their group in helping the society, in particular the child, to grow in the future also. So I think this must have to be continued forever.
Hello everyone. I'm Sarita, mother of Samshita. A big thank you to the Balamitra team, Geeta ma'am, Richa ma'am, Radhika ma'am, who are continuously engaging our kids and during this lockdown time. And we were actually first of all want to thank the entire team of Balamitra, because getting an idea of engaging kids during lockdown time is very great, and you people are doing a wonderful job, ma'am. Really enjoy the storytelling, the way the Geeta ma'am tells the stories. Awesome. Like, I keep listening, sitting beside my daughter and keep listening to the story. And the way you engage kids by asking questions, keep them alert during the entire session. Really awesome. And the moral of the story is imbibing some qualities in my child. I can find a difference in these 40 days. She's learning day by day. The moral, whatever you're saying at the end of the story, she's picking up that and applying in her life also. I could find a lot of changes in my daughter. She's helping me in household chores, like be it in my kitchen work or folding clothes, taking care of and respecting elders, the main thing. The activities, whatever is given daily on a daily basis, like organizing stationery and like cleaning the plate after eating, offering prayer to God before eating, folding the blanket, all these he's doing on a regular basis daily, and which is saving some part of the parents' time also. And it's a life skill which you are helping them to develop at the initial stages of their life, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. I'm Aditya and Varshit Madhavya. Balamitra is a precious gift to us, because it made a lot of change in my kids. The Geeta ma'am, what the stories she used to tell, has made a lot of change in my kids. They have learned the moral values. The activities she used to give, it's develops their mental and physical powers. Before they used to be little bit lazy. Now they have become little bit naughty now. Not only naughty, they able to understand the values, moral values, and they started obeying the parents' words. I want to thank each and everyone of Balamitra team members, Geeta ma'am, Richa ma'am, Radhika ma'am, and Manoj sir, because they have made a lot of change in my kids' behavior. In this lockdown, we have got a very beautiful gift from Geeta. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ritik father. So Ritik attended Balamitra last 20 days. So actually we joined in between of the program. But it was really a very nice program for the kids during the lockdown. So it was very useful. On top of that, the way you have taken the classes and stories, moral solution is very nice. And we are very much thankful to Balamitra, and we would like to part of this program down the line as well. If Balamitra is planning any programs in upcoming months, so we want to part of that. We are really thankful to Balamitra program. So we are looking forward these kind of programs during this lockdown, and after the lockdown also, if there is any possibility during weekend. So we are very much interested, and we have special thanks to Geeta ma'am and her team. Thanks to everyone.
I'm Devika Lakshmi's mother. Thank you everyone who are facilitating this Balamitra. It is a great honor to be part of this one. It is a very wonderful program. The kids are growing with this one. The morals of the kids are improved. This program is improving the future generation. Ma'am, you should continue this one for further and further. It should never end. We should not expect the end of this one. My next kid is already in line for you. And thank you everyone, especially Geeta madam, Radhika madam, Risha madam and Mohan.
Namaste all. My son's name is Shiv Vishnu, who attended Balamitra session for the past days. Balamitra session totally had 3 categories. The first one was the storytelling session, which has a constructive moral for each and every story. The second one was the activity, which has its base either on motor skills, creativity or imagination on craft works, seasonal activities, physical activities and samples like that. The third one was the riddle section, in which the children has to think about the riddle and convey the answers the next day. Altogether, Balamitra session was productive and engaging for the kids. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, this is Sanjeev from Bangalore and this is my son Chirag. He participated in Balamitra program for 42 days. It was a wonderful experience for the kid and a good learning for us. The whole program was so scientifically designed to bring out talent from the kids, and daily they used to get occupied for nearly 3 to 4 hours. Morning some 45 minutes in the storytelling, and later in the day 2 to 3 hours in the activity. And tomorrow morning, the next day morning, they will see themselves in YouTube and so motivated for continuing the program. And they used to see what other kids are doing and how talented they are, so they can have a very good access of themselves and try to improve themselves. The whole program really will help them go on a long run actually. So thanks very much for the whole program. And it was a boon for us in the lockdown period to keep themselves engaged in very good activity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Rajni, Shenku Rana wala mother ni. Balamitra program చాలా బాగుంది. దాంట్లో ఇచ్చే యాక్టివిటీస్ వల్ల మా పిల్లలకు యాక్టివిటీస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అయింది. బాలమిత్ర టీం అందరికి థ్యాంక్